Hello, lovely people. This is Riches Aipa Engineering once again. As I always tell you, I'm always super excited to always come your way, to always come and let you know how precious you are to me and how I always want electricity to treat you so fairly. Today I come to your screens to tell you about one thing that always puts tears in my eyes. Anytime I go to check at projects, anytime I go to troubleshoot at faults, one thing that I equally see that is creating a lot of menace in the lives of people is loose contact. Did you know it is one of the biggest causes of electrical fires, even in the world? It's not overload, it is not lighting, it is not faulty appliances, but something as simple as a loose contact. A loose contact means the connections between two conductors isn't tight enough. Now here is the science. Electricity flows best through a firm, clean path. When the contact is loose, resistance increases, and resistance generates heat. That heat builds up silently until your socket burns, your equipment fails, or worse, a fire starts. Think of it like a leaking tap. A drip here and there may not look dangerous, but over time, it can weaken the whole structure. In electricity, a loose contact is that drip. It's just waiting for the right moment to cause serious damage to your life, to your home, to your family, to your appliances. It knows no bounds. Loose contacts are unforgiving. It doesn't forgive, though it's so silent. So how do you know you have a loose contact? These are some of the questions I mostly get. How do I know? Flickering lights, even with stable power. At times, there might be a buzzing or a crackling sounds in your switches. All of a sudden, you might be hearing some ticklings inside your switches. It's a sign. Sockets may feel warm or smell burnt. Anytime you smell this burnt smell, it is a sign that is a loose contact somewhere. You need to be sharp. You need to be smart. You need to call an expert. At times, your appliances keeps your breaker tripping for no reason. These are not random problems. They are warnings. Always tighten terminals properly during installation. This is to the technical men. Always make sure you tighten your terminals properly. Not too tight and not too loose. It should always be in proportion. It should always be in balance. That is the reason why at Riches Aipa Engineering we follow our RAE Clean Work Protocol, making sure every connection is secured, every job documented, and every client protected. Because one loose contact can burn down years of hard work. It looks so sad that after all the hard-earned structures, after all the hard-earned equipment, properties, all goes in the drain just because of a small loose contact. Loose contacts don't shout. They come as whispers, but their damage is so enormous, so loud. Don't wait for sparks to teach you safety. Don't wait for the misfortune to teach you safety. Don't wait for death to teach you safety. Think electricity, think safety, think riches hyper engineering. In doubt, when you are not sure, call us on 0554 250 105. Anytime you need an electrical leadings, call us or WhatsApp us on 0554 250 105. Deal with a professional. Deal with people who will give you lasting solutions. Deal with people who will give you credible solutions. Deal with people you will have peace of mind. Thank you for your time. See you again. Bye-bye.